It seems that there might be a Huawei foldable smartphone during MWC, as pretty much the invitation confirms this. An official Samsung Galaxy F video and Galaxy S10 leaked images show both devices in their full glory, and Nokia has also started to send invites for MWC, and hopefully we get the phone that we're looking for. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Diego's joke for today is that to avoid spending cash on Valentine's Day, just go single. Bad joke. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches and deals to a certain degree. Those of you looking for an affordable gaming phone, the Nubia Magic Mars is now available in certain regions. And the specs are crazy, starting at 6 gigabytes, it's $399, I believe, and then $549 if you go for the 10 gig of RAM and more storage option. And obviously this is a gaming phone, it's not the best one out there, but it's a very powerful phone regardless. Now let's talk about Apple. We've got reports that the company has finally figured out the whole bug with FaceTime where your FaceTime call would pretty much activate itself without you knowing it, and obviously has left everybody skeptical on privacy when it comes to Apple. So expect an update according to the source as of next week. I'm still going to disable FaceTime, just period. Now let's talk about Nokia, as HMD has sent out press invitations for an event on February 24th. We don't know exactly what we're getting, and the invite doesn't provide any sort of teasers whatsoever. All we know is that it's in Barcelona, we're going to be there, and we're hoping that it's the Nokia 9 PureView. We're hoping that this phone is real after so many leaks and so many rumors. But we'll see. And now let's move the spotlight over to Samsung, as there was an official video shown in Vietnam, I believe, that was then pulled, and obviously you gotta love the internet. The video is back by another source now, and well, it shows a lot of what the feature is going to be according to Samsung. And so one of these images shows the foldable smartphone being used by somebody. So I'm not saying that this is the design of the Galaxy F, particularly because everything else in that video is non-existent right now. So does that mean that we're not getting a foldable product that's ready for the mainstream until the future? Or what? You never know. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Huawei and foldable products, because this company is sending out press invitations for an event at MWC February 24th, and it's got a V in it. And that V pretty much states that we're getting a foldable product. Now, it's very hard to predict if this is going to be, again, a final product or not. We're definitely going to be covering everything live, but in today's question, let us know, what are your thoughts on foldable products lately? We've got so many companies trying to showcase things, and in my case, the only way that I would care is if I do get that Razer phone from Moto. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.